The 2024 Toyota Tacoma introduces new engines, including a hybrid setup and a revamped frame. However, precise fuel efficiency stats for the iForce Max, the hybrid variant, remain undisclosed. Presently, MPG estimates are only available for the non-Max non-hybrid iForce engines. The lineup offers various trims with gas-only powertrains, primarily featuring a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. Upgrades yield increased power ranging from 228 to 278 horsepower, linked to different transmissions across trims. The iForce Max hybridizes the 2.4-liter engine to generate 326 horsepower and 465 pounds-foot of torque, yet its fuel economy details are pending. Regarding efficiency, the rear-wheel drive SR5 leads with 21 city, 26 highway, and 23 combined MPG. Upgrading to four-wheel drive typically incurs a 2 miles per gallon decrease across trims. Comparatively, the 2023 Tacomas had mixed efficiency ratings, with the least efficient models achieving 18 to 21 miles per gallon combined. While the new iForce turbo engines show marginal efficiency enhancements compared to the older models, similar trends in minimal efficiency improvements have been observed in competitors' recent shifts to turbo 4s, like the Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon.